Yo guys, this is way off topic, but I watched like half a dozen videos here on YouTube and I couldn't find this. I got this Troy built pressure washer 3024, whatever that means, and I cleaned out this carb like 3 times and it wouldn't freaking start. But I didn't see anything quite like what I've got. And so a lot of them had a screw at the bottom like this, but it had holes in it, like a hole in the middle and then 2 little holes on the side. But my carb has a different setup. The little 2 holes are built into the carb, not the screw. So I cleaned it out a few times, like I said, 2 or 3 times, won't crank. But the last time I took out, I noticed there was a little screw at the inside of this thing. 8 turns. And then underneath this little screw was this guy, which I discovered after blasting it with a little carb cleaner and then getting a little carb cleaner in my eyes. This thing came out. And I tried to run some fishing line through it and it would not go, so I kind of jammed it a little more. Finally, the fishing line went through. So I think this is the thing. If you have this carb, again, it's not like any of the carbs I saw on the YouTubes, so I'm going to hit it with a little more carb cleaner, put it back in, except I don't know which way it goes in, flat side or cone side. Let's call it flat side or cone side. And I'm going to stop now. I'm going to clean it, put it all back together, see if it cranks, and I'll tell you which one goes in first. Cone way or flat way. I think it's, I don't know. I'll have to play around with it, but all right. So yeah, I don't know if you can hear me over the so yeah, that was it. Cone side in, cone side, you can tell too, if you look down it kind of gets narrower, and that little tube with the perforations on the side was clogged. Stuck a little fishing line down in there, cleaned it out, blasted out the little carb cleaner, put it all back together. So yeah, way off topic, but I do have a couple parts coming. We're working on finalizing those, so keep an eye out. Hope this helps somebody. It's that silly little fiddle in there. And I think it's only 7 turns because I turned it back in after the only 7. So anyway, hope that helps someone, and keep an eye out for the next